Hi, I'm Mark with At My Home, and today we're going to review the temperature and humidity sensor from Zooz. Now this is the model ZSE44, and it is a 700 series Z-Wave chip in here, and Zooz sent us this that we're using in the review. So let's take a look. Now the reason we got this, by the way, one of the reasons we got this is that we installed motorized blinds, and we needed a way of telling the temperature in the window so we could know whether or not we should close the blinds when it's hot. So, the temperature sensor. So here we go. All right. It's this little guy right here. That's it. It's so small. Check it out. Really small. That's it. So this is one of the reasons I like it, because it actually fits on the window frame. And so that's a sensor. And then it comes with instructions. And you can even get, depending if you're going to install this on SmartThings or Habitat, it actually has QR codes for the directions. Now, we actually installed this on our Homeseer HS4 Pi hub, and we also installed it on our SmartThings Hub, and I'm going to show you it on the SmartThings Hub. But the other thing it comes with is a QR code in the back. And depending on which hub you pair it to, you might need the pin or just the QR code. Now, what's really nice is, if I open this up, the QR code is also here. So if you look inside here, QR code is there with its pin. Now, that's really small. As a matter of fact, I think I had to take a picture of this to zoom it to be able to read it. But the point is, it's all inside here. And then this is the inside. So if you look at this, very simple. It has a coin battery in it to run it, and it has a button in the inside for doing inclusion or exclusion, depending on what mode of Z-Wave you're doing. We paired this with the HS4 hub, put it in inclusion mode. Triple clicked on the button, and it found the device, and then it asked us to enter the pin that's on the back of this, and we entered it in, and it was securely added to our hub. Now, on the SmartThings Hub, what we did there was, SmartThings lets you read the QR code or scan the QR code. So we scanned this QR code with the SmartThings Hub, and then after a while, it finally finds it, and then it finishes the whole installation, and it's done. Now, I happen to rename it, but the point is, it's really easy to do, comes together very easily, and you just basically, it has a sealed container. You just put it back together again. Now, when you install this, they recommend that these place where the holes are, because it's temperature and humidity sensor, that they're pointing down. So attach this side against whatever you're doing and point that down, and that's it. And it'll measure the temperature and the humidity at the location you put this. So now I'm going to go off and I'm going to install this on the window downstairs in Valerie's office to measure the temperature. And the really cool thing is, this thing comes with two-sided tape. So let's see if we can get them out of the bag. So two-sided tape, I'm going to put one on the back here, and then stick it to the window frame, and then Valerie's office, her blinds, will be monitoring the temperature to know whether to shut the blinds or not. And by the way, they do give you this little pick here. It looks like a guitar pick. It's really for opening this up, so you can use that to open it up like that. Be honest with you, you don't need it. It's very easy to get your fingernail there and just pull it and it comes out. So, but it's handy. They give it to you if you have trouble opening it. You now have that as well. Okay, so let's take a look at what it looks like on the app. So if we look at this, I have it in Valerie's office, the temperature sensor. So it tells you what the temperature is. So it's right now, it's 82.9 degrees in her office, and it's 47% humidity. So I can click on it, and you see it tells me the temperature and the humidity, and it says it's normal, all right? And everything's synced up, and the battery level is 100%. Now, what's cool is I can look at these routines, and there's two routines. This routine says if the temperature gets below 83 degrees, then open up the blind. So it's a very simple routine. The other one, this one here, says if the temperature gets above or at 85 degrees, go ahead and close the blinds. So it's a nice use case for the temperature sensor. For humidity, we don't have a use right now for it in humidity, but if, for example, if you had a bathroom where you maybe have moisture issues, you could put this in that bathroom and monitor the humidity in the bathroom. Or kind of a neat use case is if you have a smart switch on your fan, you could use the humidity sensor to say if the humidity gets above a certain amount, turn on the fan. Same thing with turning it off. So that's the Zooz ZSE44 temperature and humidity XS sensor. Thank you.